another makeup tutorial video. So I will be telling you or showing you guys how I do my makeup for my projects. Like say, since my project, my DIY of Dollar Tree item, how to make a $10 outfit out of Dollar Tree items. So I'm gonna be showing you how I do my makeup for that look. So you're gonna stay tuned for my video of when we do my makeup, and let's get into this video. Oh, I really like this glow. Let's take a minute and see how this glow looks. I know my eyebrows, but look at this glow I'm getting. Look at it. I really like that. But I'm gonna show you guys my makeup, how I do my makeup for my outfits, because I really pretty much go with the same simple look for my makeup. I just only add the color and touches, and sometimes do different. May do glam, may do natural, may do all above. So let's get into this video right quick. And just for the record, guys, I'm still feeling under the weather, so sorry some of this if you guys like she looking bummy or something like that, but I'm still feeling under the weather. I'm trying to push out a video for you guys, so don't worry, the content is still coming. So yeah, I'm dedicated to my hard work of being a YouTuber. Hey cuties, it's your girl Kpcutie, and today we're doing a storybook. And this is gonna be like a cute little story about a girl who just first decides to wear makeup for the very first time. So, it was a lovely ordinary day for the house of pears. And she really wanted to try makeup one day. So the day she snuck in her mom's room, took her makeups, each and every one, last one, to the foundation, down to the darn mascara. So now that she got all the makeup, she snuck back into her room, started applying the makeup on one by one, each and every last one. She started with the foundation, then she started doing her eyeshadow, then she started doing her mascara, then she started doing her lipstick, and then she forgot one more important key of doing her makeup, her eyebrows. So she started doing that, and she got an idea. Maybe I should try to do more makeup often. She tried to do her makeup at least twice a day. Every time she applied that makeup on and she went outside the house, she forgot the most part of the detail of her makeup, her eyebrows. She done everything perfectly. She forgot to do her eyebrows. I got a house and she realized one day, there's something missing. And I don't know what it is. I can't put my finger on it. Then boom, it popped in her brain, my eyebrows. So she started drawing on, she started figuring out how to use the eyeliner. She used eyeliner, she used the eyebrow pencil, she's even used eyeshadow to do her eyebrows. Yes, I know what you're thinking. Eyeshadow? Did she really use eyeshadow? Yes, she did. She used eyeshadow down to T. She used all black eyeshadow. She even used white eyeshadow to highlight the black out so it doesn't be too dark for her eyebrows. But yes, she used eyeshadow. But none of them could finally work for her the way she wanted. But did she let that get to her? No. She kept going and going. She did researches on YouTube. She did researches on Google, Bing, and all that stuff. But she definitely looked on Pinterest, and on the Pinterest she kept scrolling for eyebrows ideas, how to make them darker, how to bring out her eyebrows more, and at least temporary, kind of like temporary tattoos. But she found one very important thing to do. She found tinted eyebrows. And yes, they're not just, they don't have harsh chemicals for your skin. She found the perfect ones, organic tinted eyebrows. There's a bunch of ways to make them, a bunch of different ideas. So she searched, she made sure everything was very healthy for your eyebrows, healthy for your skin. So she loved to be in her skincare routines, make sure her skin stays glowing, young, and fresh that it looks like it is. So she found tinted eyebrows, 3 ways to make them. There's very organic and healthy. So she tried them all out, and now we're about to get into the grand reveal of how to tint your eyebrows. But not only did she find out how to tint your eyebrows, she also found out a way to shape your eyebrows. So, but we're not going to get into that story in just a bit. We're going to get into that later on. So stay tuned to my channel for another story about how to shape your eyebrows. Have fun and play around. If you don't like what you wear, or you want to change something, or you want to try out something new, it's always good to just go ahead and do it. She found a whole bunch of recipes. Not only she found tinted eyebrows, she found out how to shape your eyebrows, help you stay fresh and feel good, because that's all she wanted to do. Moral of the story is to try something new, to be yourself, loving yourself, do something great for you, and just have fun with it. About you guys, but I'm ready to get into this how to make our own brow tint. So let's go. So first up, you're going to need a glass, a jar, or any type of container. You're going to need aloe vera. You're going to need like a small slither of aloe vera. You're going to need the gel part of it. You're going to cut it in half. Then you're going to scrape off the gel part into your container of whatever choice you have, or whatever you have on hand. Then finish with that, you're gonna add the cocoa, Hershey cocoa, whatever cocoa you got. Also add in some eyeshadow. You're gonna need black eyeshadow or activated charcoal, whichever you prefer. Now guys, you're going to mix. You can also add vitamin E oil if you want so, because all vitamin E oil is going to help hydrate your skin, gives it all the vitamins it needs when you're tinting your eyebrows, so it can be like all good and stuff. But you don't have to add it if you don't want to. But I recommend definitely add vitamin E oil, because we didn't do it, we forgot about it, but it's okay. It's still, we have nutrients and all the stuff too. But after you finish applying that, we're gonna get ready for the next step. Okay guys, now on the next step, you're going to take your petroleum jelly. You're going to take a cotton swab, Q-tip. I forgot which one was called, but you're going to take those. You're going to wipe it on the edge of your eyebrows, so you can make sure the stuff doesn't get on your other eyebrows. Don't worry, I already washed my face, but I had makeup on, so that's what you're seeing, like, oh, what's wrong with her face? Something's wrong. That's just makeup coming off my face, but I washed my face. But when you're doing this, don't wear makeup. Well, you can wear makeup, but I still recommend don't wear makeup. But also make sure you clean your eyebrows off. Make sure there's no dead skin or excess dirt on it. Make sure you just wash your face before you do this. So once you finish applying to both eyebrows, you're gonna wait 20 minutes and wait for it to dry. And once you're finished drying, then you can go ahead and wipe it off. Once, and I'm gonna tell you again, this is behind the scenes of making a photo shoot for one video. It's a chaos mess. Now I gotta clean all this up. Well, that's pretty much stays. I'm gonna probably keep that. I'm just gonna probably just move all this stuff because that's my basket, papers, my books, my diamond art on the floor, clothes, trash that I take out, water. That's the semi-clean. Just gotta pick up this stuff right there and there. But yeah, that was all for this. Oh, I'm so pretty. Look how cute I look. I look so adorbs. But that was behind this. I'm showing you a little bit behind the scenes of what my videos, but gotta clean my room. Ooh, that looks so cute. I gotta clean my room. I gotta edit videos. I gotta edit videos for my channel, my mom's channel. Clean my room. And then try to take a break in between that time. And also I have to go and do my nails. Start getting my videos ready for Vlogmas, because Vlogmas is coming up in my birthday month. My birthday month is my birthday month. I'm ready for my birthday. Ah, I'm so excited, and I'm so excited. You guys don't know how excited I am. I'm so excited that I might be doing something that I was holding off for a while because I was fearful of it. But you'll see in my video, so I'm not telling you all the goodies there, but just so you know, you're gonna be shocked and have fun, and it's gonna be a blast for Vlogmas, so stay tuned. Ah, I love my makeup, it looks cute. I don't know why I do makeup often. Probably because I just don't really like to do all that and then take it off, then my face is all. So it's okay to do makeup a little bit of times, blah, 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 blah. But, so that's what I'm gonna be doing, so. And also I might show you guys something what I'm gonna eat later. Cause right now I ate just a yogurt a minute ago. I ate strawberry yogurt. Oh, that lighting's so cute. So I just ate strawberry yogurt and I have my board over there planned out what I'm gonna be doing. You've seen a little bit of it. You might see, if you pause on the video, you might see all of it. But so yeah, that's what I'm doing for this vlog. So I'm gonna go ahead and start cleaning my room, and then I'm gonna get started editing videos. And then I'm gonna eat, cause your girl loves food. So I'm gonna cut this camera off real quick. So see you guys when I finish cleaning my room. Well, that's this video, cuties. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment down below which part of the video you liked. If you want me to do more story times and all that good stuff, whatever, down in the comment section below. And don't forget to hit that little bell to be notified I post a video. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, cuties. Cutie out.